Hi, welcome. And now we can have the checkout button over here. Okay. Now to do this, we have to go to the nav screens and then cart screen. Then the section is dot. Okay. And we can use Control and B to make this wide and scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down and within the scaffold, let's see where it ends. Okay, over here we have the scaffold. Do not worry, we are going to be using this later because in the future we would have a check if the product, if no product has been added to cart, then we should be able to display this test which will say your shopping cart is empty. We are going to be doing that in the future, but before then, within the scaffold it has this property shade. Wait for this, but hopefully I get an auto prediction in order to easy my life. Okay, bottom is gonna type this again. Okay, bottom sheet. And what we can do is we can create this button from scratch again. So container, and as you know, within the container, it has a property known as height, and we can give a height of 50, and also it has a property known as width, and we can just get the width of our screen by either saying media query dot of contest dot size then dot width, or we can say double dot infinity, and we can just go ahead and have a decoration and then a box decoration class, box decoration. And now we can give a color to this container color, and this is going to be colors dot yellow, and we can have that shade of 900, and add your comma, then use control and has to save this, and we should see that over here. Wait for this, wait for this, wait for this performing auth reload. Sorry, it's taking longer. Okay, and we got it over here, and we can go ahead and wrap this with a padding in order to give some written space. So I light and use control, okay, control and dot, and wrap with padding. And for all sides we can just go ahead and use this 8 default padding, use control and S to save, and we should have some breathing space in all the edges. Okay, great. Now we got it over here, and it is way too sharp, so we can go ahead and make this a bit circular. To do this, it has the border radius, and this is going to be radius, border radius, then the circular of 10. Okay, and as you know, it has this property known as child and test. This is gonna say we in capital letter check out. Okay, add your comma and use control and S to save, and you should see it somewhere. Yeah, perform. Okay, we got it over there, and we can take this to the center by wrapping it with a widget known as center, and also we can give this a style and test was wrong. Okay, test style, and we can change the color to be colors dot white, and also we can give some later spacing of 5, and we can increase the font size to 18, and also we can make this bold, font weight, font weight, font weight, then dot bold. Okay, and use Ctrl and S to save, and we should see all what we just did, and hopefully it's going to behave as we expect it to. We should have it over here, and the font size is going to be 18, and color of white and bold. Okay, so everything is working as we expect, but in the future, if no product has yet been added to cart, then we should be able to display your shopping cart is empty. Do not worry, you will also learn on how to do that in the future. And probably in the future, we can have the total price of all the item added to the cart over here. Okay, so seems good. Everything is working as we expect, and hopefully we have no hidden errors. But if I'm able to discover any hidden errors, we should be able to sort it out together. Or if you have any hidden errors, you can please do what to let me know. But for now, everything is working as we totally expect.